everyone, I'm Dawn and I've made a nature wand. Who would like to make their own? Brilliant! So, all you need is to go on a walk, even just go into your garden and find yourself a stick and some leaves or some flowers. But remember, never pick them, just pick the ones that have already fallen onto the ground, okay? What I've also done, just to bring a little bit more colour, is I've made my very own flowers out of paper and coloured in pencils. I've then cut them out and put them onto a lollipop stick, just to bring a little bit of colour into it. And I've also coloured in my very own paper leaves, which I've added to. So, what you next need to do is think about the superpower which you would like each of your items to represent. So, for my flowers, they bring light into everybody's lives and bring the sun out. My leaves make everybody smile. What would your superpower be? Make sure that you have everything that you need ready to go, including a stick, it can be any size, your nature resources, and if you like, you could even make your very own paper flowers and leaves. You will also need some pieces of sellotape. Start by sticking your leaves onto your stick using a piece of sellotape. As you make your nature wand, also think about what powers you would like it to have. Next, I filled in the gaps with my paper leaves using pieces of sellotape. I then did the same with my lollipop paper flowers. Think about your positioning and stick it onto the stick using your sellotape. If you have missed any pieces, you can add them. Ta-da! Now it's your turn. Good luck!